Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is 343 to power of x plus 7 to power of x is equal to 26 over 125 to find the values of x. In the first step, we write this 343 as 7 to power of 3 and to power of x plus 7 to power of x is equal to 26 over 125. And in next step, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n, this is equal to a to power of n to power of m. In here, we can exchange these powers and write a to power of n to power of m. So, in here, we can write this 7 to power of 3 to power of x as 7 to power of x. We take this x inside the bracket and to power of 3. And we take this 3 outside of bracket. Plus 7 to power of x is equal to 26 over 125. And in next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by 125. So we write 7 to power of x to power of 3 plus 7 to power of x, and we multiply this by 125 is equal to 26 over 125 times 125, and it will be 125 times this 7 to power of x to power of 3 and plus 125 times 7 to power of x is equal to, in here, this will cancel this and it will be 26. And in next step, we let this 7 to power of x as u. So, we rewrite this equation and it will be 125 times 7 to power of x to power of u. So it will be u to power of 3. It will be u to power of 3 plus 125 times u is equal to 26. And in next step, we take this 26 to this side and we write 125 times u cube, and in here we can write 125 as 5u to power of 3, right? This 5 to power of 3 it will be 125 and u to power of 3 it will be u cube plus 125 times u and minus 26, and we can write 26 as negative 26 as negative 25 minus 1, right, is equal to 0. And in next step, we take this and this negative 1 together. So we write 5u to power of 3 minus 1. Take these two together and this 125u minus 25 together. So we write 125u minus 25 is equal to 0. And in next step, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, right? So right in here, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? Which is a is, in here, a is 5u and b is 1, right? So in here, we can write this in this form, and we write a minus b, it will be 5u minus 1. So 5u minus 1 times a square, it will be 5u square, it will be 25u square, and plus ab, it will be 5u times 1, it will be 5u, and plus b square, it will be 1 square is 1. And plus, in here we have 125u minus 25, and we factor 25, and it will be this divided by 25, it will be 25u it will be 5u, sorry, 5u, and this divided by 25, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. And in next step, 5u minus 1 is common, so you factor 5u minus 1, and this divided by this, it will be 25u squared plus 5u plus 1, and this divided by this, it will be 25, so plus 25 is equal to 0. And in next step, it will be 5u minus 1 times 25u squared plus 5u, and 1 plus 25, it will be 26 is equal to 0. So in here, this times this, it will be 0. So in here we have two solutions for u. 5u minus 1 is equal to 0, or 25u squared plus 5u plus 26 is equal to 0. In here, we take this negative 1 to this side, so it will be 5u is equal to 1, and we divide both of this equation by 5, so it will be u is equal to 1 over 5, right? And here, we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which is a is coefficient of u squared is 25, and b is coefficient of u is 5, and c is constant is 26. So in here, discriminant is equal to b squared, it will be 25, 5 squared, it will be 25, minus 4 times a is 25, times c is 26. And from here, discriminant is equal to 25 minus 4 times 25, it will be 100, so 100 times 26, it will be 2600, right? And this is less than 0. 25 minus 2600 is less than 0, and in here we have no real solution, so we reject this answer and we continue by u is equal to 1 over 5. So in next step, we recall this 7 to power of x is equal to u. So we write in here 7 to power of x is equal to u, and u is 1 over 5, right? So we write 7 to power of x is equal to 1 over 5. And in next step, we apply log of base 7 to both sides of the equation, and it will be log of 7 to power of x to base 7 is equal to log of 1 over 5 to base 7. And here from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b to base c, this is equal to b times log of a to base c. In here we can take this power outside of this log, so it will be b times log of a to base c. So in here we can take this x outside of this log, and it will be x times log of 7 to base 7 is equal to log of 1 over 5, and we can write 1 over 5 as 5 to power of negative 1, right, to base 7. And it will be log of 7 to base 7 is 1, so 1 times x is equal to, and here we can take this power of negative 1 outside of this log, and it will be negative log of 5 to base 7. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.